Yes, guys. So what we discussed yesterday, guys, what we discussed yesterday. Blanca, everyone. So day 4, date is 8th August 24. So right. So today is a class 4, right, guys? Yes or no? Guys, speak. Who is Lavanyana? So yesterday what we discussed about the virtualization and the physical, right? So the virtualization. So if you want to install CentOS, if you want to install CentOS 7, guys, who developed this CentOS 7? Which company? Red Hat Inc. So Red Hat company so created this Linux OS, right? If you want to install, so first we need to download it. So download the ISO image. Okay. So then download the what is that, guys? Download the Oracle VirtualBox software for Windows. So for Windows, right? Next. So we need to, so there is a dependency package we need to install for the Oracle VirtualBox. So Visual Studio C, Microsoft is a Visual C++ 2019 software we need to download and install. So these are the 3 things, right, guys? So I uploaded the image 360-degree freshers, day 1, day 2, day 3 doubling day 3 doubling ISO image day 4 yeah, guys. So software installation, so Oracle VirtualBox, so we need to download here. So Visual Studio C++ software download here. CentOS ISO image download from here. CentOS, so download from here. So what is a virtualization VMware company? We already told you, right, yesterday. So we need to install the OVM and VC++ or the latest ones and download the ISO. Install the CentOS 7 VM on Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, guys, 1 second. So day 4, right? Desktop, batch 2, new, day 4, yeah, new document, softwares .md. Here I'm pasting, yeah. So Oracle VirtualBox you need to download. So Oracle VirtualBox and VC++ software we need to install here. Then CentOS 7, so we need to install from here. Okay, so these are the softwares. Control Z, file, save. Yeah, now I will upload this here. Go to 360 degrees. Here go to these degrees, add upload files, drag and drop. I want to upload day 4, guys. So I want to upload day 4. Yeah, go to here and just drag and drop. Then commit the changes. Batch to buf4 software assembly.txt. Yeah. 1 second. Okay. So guys, so this is the Oracle VirtualBox software installation, VC++ software and the CentOS image. Okay. So I uploaded here. You just guys just copy and paste it here. So copy, paste it here. Yeah, it will automatically download, guys. It will automatically download. You guys can download these 3 softwares. Okay, these 3 softwares. Okay. So what we need these 3 software to install the OS on our Windows machine. Yeah, I have already these guys. Okay, I already downloaded. So I'm going to go to the control panel. So I want to delete everything. Yeah, first Oracle VirtualBox. I already installed the Oracle VirtualBox. Right. I am deleting everything. Remove, delete all files. Remove, delete all files. Okay. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. So I want to. So how we can uninstall the file, guys? You already knows, right? How to uninstall the file softwares on the Windows machine. So go to the control panel, then programs and features. Yeah, you see. So what are the softwares is installed? So I want to remove Oracle VirtualBox because of it's already installed on my machine. I want to uninstall it and I want to show you how to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So before Oracle VirtualBox, we need to install the VC++, guys. We need to install the VC++, right? I already installed the VC++. So we need to delete that VC. So Microsoft Visual C++ 2005-15 I already installed. So I'm uninstalling this file. I'm uninstalling this, right? Uninstall. Okay. So nothing is there. Now let's check it. Oracle VirtualBox. There is nothing is there, right? First. So I want to go to the downloads. Yeah. Oracle. Yeah. So this is, guys, Oracle VirtualBox. Just I'm trying to install Oracle VirtualBox. Yes. I already downloaded the Oracle VirtualBox, guys. Yeah, you see. So Oracle VirtualBox 7.0 needs the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019, right? So we need to install we need to install first, then we need to install the Oracle VirtualBox because of there is a dependency package we need to install before installing the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, now finished. Okay, installation is failed. Then what you can do, so you can install the VC C++ subject C++. So yeah, guys, I already downloaded this VC Redist, for example. Yeah, so VC++ 2015, guys. So I'm installing. Yeah, I'm installing the first VC++ 2000. Yeah, it's successful, guys. Then you can install the Oracle, whatever you downloaded, right? Download this one. Yeah. Now I am trying to install the Oracle VirtualBox. Just guys, so how you can install the a Tomcat or something like, right, in the Windows? It is very simple. So you need to select the next only. You need to select the next. It will install automatically. So but in the Linux we need to install through the commands only. We need to install the any software through commands only. So going forward you will understand guys how to install the. Guys, remember this. So if you want to install any software, something like you want to install the Oracle VirtualBox, so we need a, so it's a dependency package. We need a, so we need a dependency packages. First, we need to install the dependencies package. Then we install the actual package, right? Oracle VirtualBox. Let's check. Yeah. Now your virtualization is installed. Yep. So Dell PowerEdge R710 730, anything guys, just images. Yeah, I'm taking this one. Snipping tool. So yeah, this is my server. Yeah, so this is the server guys. So for example, this server is kept in the, where you kept this server guys?
Data center.
Where? Data
Center.
very good. Data center, or the other name call it as a on-premise. What is this guys? Data center or a on-premise environment. Yeah, so I don't want this much big of the server for the development. So what I need, so first I want to install the Oracle VirtualBox. Yes, so we install the Oracle VirtualBox. We install the Oracle VirtualBox software. What this is? This is a virtualization. So then so it will be free for all the, it will free the resources. It will free the resources, right? So then, so what you are trying to do? You are trying to install the, OS. Call it as a, what is that, guys? CentOS 7. What is this? CentOS 7. So yeah, the same way. So this is the Oracle you installed. Now you are trying to install the a virtual machine. Call it as a CentOS 7. So click no, and the name of the OS CentOS 7. Then next, cancel. CentOS 6, CentOS 7, right guys? Yeah. So already CentOS 7 name is there. That's the reason it is not taking. So you guys just click any name. So I took the resources. What is the resources, guys? If you want to create the, so if you want to create the CentOS 7, if you want to create the CentOS 7, so we need to provide the resources. So what are the resources, guys? Tell me what are the resources? So what are the resources, guys? RAM, CPU, and hard disk. If you want to install any OS, what you need? You need a, so RAM, right? Or 2 GB RAM. I took 2 GB RAM. I took only one CPU, and hard disk is 20 GB, right? I want to connect this server outside of the network. For example, our data center is located in Chennai. So data center is located in the Chennai. But I want to connect this server. Our company is located in Hyderabad. So our company is located in the Hyderabad. You are working from the Hyderabad, right? So you want to connect this server from Chennai to Hyderabad, right? So we need a network also. What we need? So we need a network. Network means internet. So we need a network. So we need to, provide the RAM, CPU, hard disk, and the network, and the ISO, right? CentOS 7 ISO. You downloaded the ISO CentOS 7 ISO image. So ISO image, right, for installing the OS. So we need to provide these resources in the virtual box. So virtual box, yes, this is the base memory is nothing but a RAM 2 GB. So CPU 1 CPU. Next, so yeah, we are providing the hard disk space 20 GB to install the OS. Next, next, right? So finish. So finish. So we provided just only what we provided. So we provided only the RAM, CPU, hard disk. We need we need to provide the network also, and we will provide the ISO image also, right? We'll provide the ISO image also, right? Go to the settings. So go to the settings. Yeah. So we provided the RAM and the processor CPU. Then the hard disk, the storage we provided 20 GB of the hard disk, right? Yeah. So I want to install the OS, right? So I want to remove this, right mouse, remove. Then you need to provide the ISO file. So we need to provide the ISO file. Here, add a hard disk, add a optical drive. So add D. Yeah, you see guys. So this is a CentOS 7 ISO DVD where I already downloaded this OS, guys. I already downloaded this OS. I provided the CentOS 7 ISO. I provided the CentOS 7. I already told you, right, guys, 4.3 GB. We need to download 4.3 GB. So for installing the OS, we need a ISO. Okay. If you want to install the Windows, we need a ISO. So Windows ISO, right, guys. So this through this ISO, so we are installing the OS on this hard disk space. So then you need to provide the network. NAT is nothing but so it will connect locally. So we want to connect. So what we need to, so we want to connect from Chennai to Hyderabad, right? So we need to provide the bridge network. What is that? So bridge is nothing but it will connect from the outside also. It will connect from the outside also. So the adapter 3, you can enable adapter 3. So this is host only adapter. Okay. So we need to provide the adapters. Adapters is nothing but a network. You see guys, network. Right. I want to connect this server from the outside also. Outside also we can use. Yeah. So now we provided the RAM, CPU, ISO image. So you see, so this is the ISO image to install the CentOS 7 on this hard disk space. We provided the RAM, we provided the CPU and everything, right? Just so if you create the resources, right? If you added the all the resources, then you can start the start button. It will start installation, CentOS 7 installation. It will start. So it is very easy, guys. Compared to the Windows, Linux is very easy. Right, you see, CentOS 7, install CentOS 7, test this media and install CentOS 7 and troubleshoot. Right. So if you click the, if you click the button, right mouse button in the here, so it will access the this inside the CentOS 7. Now you see, if you use the up arrow or out arrow in the navigational keys, the white symbol is, so changing the white symbol, right? I want to install the CentOS 7. Okay, then click enter, click. No worries, guys, it will start. It will start. Yeah, so it will start. So started. So first we need to provide the language. Yes, English. So language, right? So the mouse pointer is not working. I'm using the tab, guys. So in your side, maybe your mouse pointer will work. So I'm using the tab, guys. The continueness. Yeah, I'm clicking on the continue. Right. Yeah, it will ask the installation summary, the localization, date and time, and software and the system. So you see, guys. So installation source is local media. Yeah. The software selection is minimal, and the installation destination. So what is that, guys? So installation destination, once you select and click, so you see, guys, the 20 GB, this is the 20 GB, right? In the 20 GB we need to install the CentOS 7. So in the 20 GB we need to install the CentOS 7. CentOS 7. Okay. Yeah, it's selected. Now it start the installation. Just you can use the tab button. It will automatically. Now it select on the quit. Now it select on the begin. You see a dotted symbol is just a dotted symbol is going. So begin installation. Yeah, you see, guys. So it will be installing CentOS 7. You see, guys, how many packages are installing. Yeah, you see, installing how many packages? 304 packages, guys. 304 packages for installing the CentOS 7. And the user, right? So we need to log into the server. We need to log into the Windows or any Linux. So we need a user, right? So for example, root user is the super user. Root user is the administrator user. So it will created while installing the OS. Automatically, root user is created while installing the OS. So we don't need to create the root user, just we can provide the password. You say root password is not set, you need to set the root password. Just select and enter. So it will ask the password. I am giving the password as a red hat. What is the password, guys? Password I am giving as a red hat. Okay, then you can go to the tab, double times, you can press double times. Yeah, so I provided the password for the root user. I provided the password for the root user, and so once it is done, the 304 package is installed, right? Once it is done, so you need to reboot the OS. You need to reboot the CentOS 7 OS. Then it will start working. Then it will start working. Guys, now you understood? Is it easy? Is it easy or not, guys? So how to install the CentOS 7? So we need to install the CentOS 7 by just clicking the options. Then you can select. It will automatically install, guys. It will automatically install. Just 304 packages installed for the CentOS 7 OS installation. CentOS 7 OS installations. Okay. So performing post installation setup and tasks. So once it is done, so you need to reboot the machine, then it will start working. Then it will start working. So this is the way we need to install the CentOS 7 on your Windows machines. Guys, we need at least 8 GB RAM on your laptop. Then only we can install the CentOS 7. So if you are using only 4 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, you cannot install the CentOS 7 because of, so we need to install for installing the Windows. So we need a 4 GB RAM. So we need a 4 GB RAM. Guys, does anyone knows how to see the RAM? Mm, Properties, I think. No. Windows C. Properties.
About sir.
Yeah, guys. So I have 16 GB of the RAM. I have the I have 16 GB of the RAM. So I have a I used 4 GB for Windows. The remaining 4 GB, 12 GB is available. I used 2 GB for the CentOS 7. I used 2 GB for the CentOS 7. You guys can check it. How you can check it? By using, can click the this PC, right click on this PC on properties, then you will get the, so which OS, which RAM, how much RAM is available in your laptop, you will find it. Okay. So performing the post installation steps, performing the post installation steps. So once it is done, the OS installation, the CentOS installation completed on your laptop. Guys, need to download those 3 softwares and install Oracle VirtualBox. Before Oracle VirtualBox, we need to install the VC++. Then you can install the Oracle VirtualBox. Then you will provide the configuration, provide the resources. Then you can start the CentOS 7. You can start the CentOS 7 installation. So you will select the language and the destination where we need to install that OS. We need to select, then just start. Then you can provide the root password also. Okay, so it will be very easy, guys. The installation of a CentOS 7 or any Linux is very easy because of it's a portable and a minimal. It's a portable and a minimal. Right, guys? So tomorrow we will discuss about the Linux file system hierarchy. What is this, guys? Tomorrow we'll discuss about the Linux file system hierarchy. What is that, guys? Linux file system. Linux file system hierarchy. So discuss. So tomorrow we'll discuss Linux file system hierarchy. So what is Linux file system hierarchy? So hierarchy means, right, Windows. So in the Windows, yeah, the C. If you click the C, so these are all the folders. These are all the folders. So will be created while installing the OS, Windows OS. But so every folder having some specific purpose, some specific purpose. For example, user HP. I'm connecting this server. I'm connecting this Windows laptop as a HP user. I'm using HP user to connect this server. To connect this server. Right. So the program files, the system related softwares will be installed here, and the third party softwares, these are the system related softwares will be installed here, and the third party softwares will be installed on the program files. Right. So right, the users will be created under the users. These all are the system related software directories. So these directories will created by automatically while installing the Windows 7. Every folder having specific reason, right? The same way, so while installing the OS CentOS 7, it automatically create the Linux file system hierarchy. So those file system hierarchy having a specific purpose, specific every directory. So right here we call it as a folder, right? In Windows, so in Windows we are calling as a, so we are calling as a folders, but in Linux, so every folder is nothing but a directory. Every folder is nothing but as a directory. Okay. So Linux file system hierarchy. So Linux file system hierarchy. So for example, so this is the a Linux file system hierarchy. So this is a Linux file system hierarchy. Yeah. So this is the Linux file system hierarchy. So Linux file system hierarchy, something like a slash bin directory, OPT directory, boot directory, root directory, dev directory, sbin directory, ECT directory, SRV directory, home directory, tempo, lib, USR, media, var, ment. These all are the folders. So in Linux, we call it as a directory. So every folder is nothing but a, so every folder is nothing but as a, so directory. So in Windows, we call it as a, in Windows, so we call it as a folder, but in Linux, so every folder is nothing but a directory. Guys, everyone tell. So a folder is nothing but a directory in the Linux. You guys can remember, a folder is nothing but a directory in the Linux. So directory in the Linux, right? The OS installation completes. CentOS is now successfully installed and ready to use. So go ahead and reboot to start using it. So I'm rebooting the mission. Yes. So why every company is using Linux OS to deploy their applications? Because of, so Linux is a open source, free of cost, and it is a highly secure and highly secure and portable. That's the reason everyone is using a Linux OS to deploy their applications, right? Yeah. So it is asking the, what is that, guys? Login name. Same like as a Windows, how you are login, I logged in as a HP user. Now here you logged in as a root user, because of root user is the administrator user or a super user. So root user is already created while installing the OS. We just provided the password for the root user. So what is that, guys? So what is the username? Guys, everyone can tell, speak out. What is the username, guys? Username is root. What is the password? Password I set red hat. I set the password as red hat. You see, so this is the OS. This is the CentOS //ect red hat -release. You see, guys. So which OS is installed on this mission? CentOS Linux release 7.9 is a CentOS Linux release 7.9.22209 is installed. Which OS is installed on this mission? So CentOS 7. Now you understood, guys, how to install the CentOS 7. How to install a CentOS 7 on your virtual box. Now you install the CentOS 7. Once you install the CentOS 7, right? So how you are shutdowning your machine, guys? How you are shutdown your laptop? Just go to here and click here. Go to here and click this power. Go to the power and shut down. But so if you want to shut down the Linux machine, everything will be, so it's a CentOS 7. Linux is a CLI, command line interface. How you can interact with this? How you can interact with this OS? Through commands only. I want to shut down my CentOS 7 machine. How you can shut down? You can shut down by using the commands. So what is the command? The command is init 0. So init 0 is nothing but a to shut down the mission. Yeah, you see, guys, the Windows. So the window CentOS 7 is in powered off mode. How you can start it? You can start it. So once you shut down, right, you can close it. So you can shut down your mission. Uh, so how you can start the Oracle VirtualBox again? Go to the click the Oracle VirtualBox. So there is a symbol in the desktop also. Just start. It will start automatically. It will start automatically. Guys, now you understood? Yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss about the Linux file system hierarchy, and from day after tomorrow onwards, so we will start using the Linux. So we'll discuss the basic commands of the Linux. We'll discuss basic commands, how to interact with the OS. So how to interact with the OS. So we will discuss from day after tomorrow also. I will show you how to interact with this OS. So what is the username, guys? Username is root, password is red hat. So red hat, I think password is incorrect. Root red hat. Yes, understood? Yeah, I installed so I just logged in the server. So how you can interact with this OS? You can interact this OS through the commands only. Cd slash pwd. So we are in the present working directory ls. Yeah, you see guys. So what are the directories? The directories are bin, dev, home, etc, boot, mnt, opt, proc, root, srv, sbin, usr, tempo, var. I will show you 1 second. Yeah. You see guys. So bin directory, opt directory, boot directory, boot directory. So root directory, root directory. Okay. And the sbin, srv, temp, var, usr, right? Var, mnt, media, right? This is the media. So all these are directories. So these directories are created while installing the OS. So we'll show you tomorrow the purpose of these directories. We'll show you tomorrow in the Linux hierarchy what is this directory, what is the purpose of this directory. So how you can use it, what is the purpose. So we'll show you tomorrow. Guys, now you understood how to install the OS? Yeah. So you guys can install CentOS 7 on your laptops, guys. So tomorrow, so what you can do it, you can install the CentOS 7 on your laptops, guys. Okay. Yep, guys. Thank you so much. So we'll continue from tomorrow. So tomorrow mostly I will take 1.5 hour, guys. Please plan accordingly. Okay. Yep. Thank you, guys. So I will upload the recording in the YouTube channel and I will update it in the GitHub account also, guys. So you can watch it in the YouTube. Okay. Thank you, guys. Guys, speak out, guys. Why are you not responding?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Thank you, guys. Thank you.